Oh, pants, not again.
Oh, hello, Patch. What are you doing?
Bird watching.
Oh, what birds have you seen then?
Well, it's really hard to tell at the moment because every time I get close, they fly away.
Oh, I'm not surprised. Just look at you.
Eh?
You're scaring the birds. You need to blend in with your surroundings or sit inside a camouflaged hut. Bird watchers call them hides.
But I need to get right up close so I can tell what type of bird they are.
That's what your binoculars are for, you turnip.
Now, just holding these up hurts my arm.
Oh, Patch, I'm not sure bird watching is the hobby for you.
Yes, it is. I just need the right equipment, that's all. There, the perfect solution. This will revolutionize bird watching throughout the world.
Sure. How's it going to do that then?
By combining a camouflage hide with a pair of binoculars, I have created the world's first hide and spy.
Hide and spy. Catchy. I like it. Have you tested it out yet?
No, that's where you come in. I need your help to get it on.
Right. Oh, here we go.
Oh!
Push it down.
Ow!
Oh, there you are. How does it feel, Patch?
It's great to her. I can't see anything though.
Hey, why not?
You put the box on the wrong way round.
Oh, watch out, Patch. You're heading for the pond.